Welcome to my channel, Air Fryer Recipes 101. My main channel is the Baking Diva, but Air Fryer Recipes 101 is my second channel because I love air frying so much that I wanted to be able to share my air fryer recipes separately with you. So if you're new to this channel, I want to welcome you. If you haven't already subscribed, I'd love to have you go down below and hit that subscribe and the bell so you don't miss any of the new air fryer recipes that are coming up. And on my other channel, the Baking Diva, I share all kinds of baking, sweet, savory, things that everyone can make. So I'll have that link down below for you. Today, you're going to see that bagels are meeting their match. That's right. We're going to do a guilt-free bagel swap today. You know how you love bagels, especially I love those everything but the bagel seasoning on them. But who wants all those calories? Not me. So today, I'm going to show you how you can make an alternative that tastes delicious. So what do you say we get started? Let's get started. So the first thing you're going to need are low-carb tortillas. This happens to be the Mission Carb Balance. They're the flour tortillas. These happen to be soft and they're 70 calories each. You can use any brand you want, but make sure that they're low carb and they're the large ones like this. So I'm going to scoot on in here so you can get a close-up of what I'm doing. So stay tuned. Okay, so hopefully you can see better now. You don't need to see me. I just would rather you see what I'm doing. So I have my soft flour tortilla here, a large one. Now I'm going to take some cream cheese. I happen to have whipped cream cheese here. You can use any full-fat cream cheese you want. I'm going to take a knife here, and I'm going to spread this cream cheese on my tortilla. So this is going to be an air fryer low-carb tortilla that's going to replace your high-calorie bagel. So let's get this cream cheese on there. Doesn't that look good already? We didn't even do anything to it yet. Okay, there we go. Just spread it all around. Okay, you don't have to go right out to the edge, but there we go. All righty. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my everything but the bagel seasoning. I get it at Trader Joe's, but they have these everywhere. It doesn't have to be a Trader Joe brand. And we're going to sprinkle this everything but the bagel seasoning on here, on top of the cream cheese. There we go. Okay. I'm making a mess, but that's okay. All right. Now I'm going to take a knife. Now there's two ways you can do it, and when I do the next one, I'll show you. I'm going to cut it in half, like this. Okay. Just right down the middle. And then I'm going to cut it this way, so you'll have 4 pieces. My hands are clean. There you go. Okay. So we have 4. I'm making a mess. What's the matter with me? Gosh, let me wipe my hand. Okay, so you have your 4 pieces here. So what I'm going to do is, let's say I'll move this out of the way. I'm going to take this one and I'm going to roll it just like that. Just roll it, roll it, roll it. So you have a little roll there, okay? So we'll do this with another one. You can roll it this way. Probably work out better if you start with the narrow end. And there you go. You're going to roll that. We'll do another one here. Start with the narrow end. And then just hope you can see what I'm doing. It's very simple. You're just rolling. You're making little roll-ups, and we'll do the last one. Now, I'm going to do another one, and I'm going to show you another way we can do this. So let me just put these aside over here. Now, another way we can do this is we take our tortilla, same thing, spread your cream cheese on it. Okay. These are going to be delicious, trust me. There's no need when you're trying to eat low carb that you have to deprive yourself. There's always alternatives to it. All right, so we have the cream cheese on there. Once again, we're going to sprinkle our everything but the bagel on there. Seasoning. Here we go. All right, now this one I'm going to do a little different. And it's really going to be up to you. These are going to be my bagel roll-ups, and these are going to be my pinwheels. So you can start at the end and go like this. So you just roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it. There you go. Whichever way you prefer. Now, I'm going to take my knife and I'm going to cut them like this. That was the end piece. Let me move that over. So you're just going to do this. You're making little pinwheels. You see what I mean? Okay? Little pinwheels. Turn that over. So you can basically do whatever you want. You can make the pinwheels or you can make the roll-ups. See how easy that is? Little pinwheels. I'm going to put my roll-ups in the air fryer. Now, just finished cutting this. All right. Now, you can either melt some butter and you can brush the butter on here, or you can use some non-stick spray. Now, I happen to have butter-flavored non-stick spray, but you don't have to use that. So let me take the basket out of my air fryer here. I sprayed the inside of my basket. I'm going to put my roll-ups in there, seam side down. I'll hold the basket up in a minute to show you. Hopefully you can see that. And I'm just going to spray the tops of the roll-ups. Okay. Here we go. Now I'm going to, hopefully you can see them. I'm going to put my air fryer on 400 degrees, and I'm only going to cook these for about 5 minutes, and then I'll check them. So let me put my basket in. I'm going to put it on. I'm going to put it on air fry 400, and I'm going to put it on 5 minutes. And we're going to start it, and I'll be back when the air fryer goes off to show you what they look like and to do a taste testing. So don't go away. Okay, there we go. So I have my tongs here so I can get them out. I'm going to remove the basket. Oh yeah. I'm going to take a picture of this inside so you can see what they look like. They're nice and golden brown. Going to remove them from the air fryer. Look at that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Now I did spray them on the top, but you can also brush some melted butter on there if you like. So these are our roll-ups. I'm going to let them cool for a second. Look at that. I'll put in a still for you, and then we're going to taste these. So I put a still in to show you what they look like. Now we're going to do a little taste testing on the roll-ups. See how nice and golden brown they are? And look at that bagel seasoning in there and the cream cheese. So let me give this baby a bite. Righty, here we go. could hear the crunch. Mmm. 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 These are delicious. Mmm. Now, mmm. They are so good with the cream cheese, and the outside they're very golden brown and crunchy, and that everything but the bagel seasoning, they're pretty close to a bagel if you ask me. 2 thumbs up on this one. Mmm, so good. If you give these a try, trust me, you will never miss a bagel. I'm telling you, you won't. I mean, this is very satisfying. They're so delicious. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to put this aside. I'm going to do the same thing. I don't have to spray this again. Now I'm going to put my roll-ups in there on the side. I'm going to give them a quick little spray. And I'm going to air fry them. And I'm sure they're going to be just as good. And you can make a lot of these because the tortillas go a long way. I mean, how many did I get in this package? Let me see. This one came with 8 tortillas. So if you make the roll-ups, you're going to get 4 out of each tortilla. You'll get 32 wraps. So let me give this a little spray. These are delicious. I'm going to put it back in. I'm going to set my air fryer. 400. I'm going to put this on. I think I'm going to put this on, instead of 5 minutes, I'm going to put it on 4 just to see if they work. Start it, and while they're frying, I'm going to eat another one of these because they're so good. You figure 4 of these is just really 70 calories, and however amount of cream cheese you want to put on there. Don't count the seasoning, so that is a pretty darn good breakfast with a cup of coffee or a snack. So delicious. Look at that. Look at that. So good. Really delicious. So good. Okay, so the 4 minutes is almost up. Because these were little like pinwheels, I didn't think they would need 5 minutes. I figured maybe 3 or 4. So here we go. Okay, so let me take the basket out and see. Oh yeah, they're done. They're done. I'll take them out. I'll put a picture of them in there for you. Oh, look at how nice and crunchy and brown they are. With the seasoning inside, these look delicious. I'll have to let you know which one I like better. Or maybe I'm going to like them both, because these really do look good. Alrighty. They're a little hot, so I'm going to have to wait a second. Till they cool down a little bit. So I'm going to give these a taste now. Hopefully they're not too hot. Hot. I have to tell you, I'm not sure which ones I like better. I mean, they both have the same flavor. I think the roll-ups are a little crunchier because you have more of the tortilla open and around there. But they are both delicious. So if you want to have something that's low carb and an alternative for an everything but the bagel, you don't want to deprive yourself, make these. Either make the roll-up or the pinwheel, whichever. And I think you're going to enjoy them both. So thank you for stopping by my Air Fryer Recipes 101 channel and indulging me in this recipe. I really appreciate your time and your support, and I love you all. And don't forget to subscribe, and I'll be seeing you very soon. Toodles! Mmm. Mmm.